Sir, we can't hear you.
Hello. So now I think it will be better. Okay.
Yes, sir. Now better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in arithmetic progression, some formulas, something we have already done. So first of all, we will revise them. What we have done. First one was, what was the common difference? Common difference of an AP? Can you tell me?
A2 minus A1.
Yes. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. So in general, first was common difference. Common difference. D was A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, or in general we write AN minus AN minus 1. And instead of AN, in some books you will find TN also, nth term, minus T and minus 1. Second thing, what was the nth term? Yes, tell me. What was the nth term? Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D.
D.
Where A is the first term. So these two things we have done. And third thing we have done, general AP. General AP. So in general AP, we consider A as first term. Then we will keep on adding A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. The nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. And so on. If you want more terms, we can write. So this is what
Why n minus 1, sir?
today I'm going. Huh?
Why n minus 1?
Why n minus 1? You have not attended previous classes?
No, sir. The day I couldn't come.
Okay,
But I saw on
must see
YouTube though.
Yes, there. For example, what is the third term? Third term, see here. Third term. T1
A
is
plus
A.
2D.
T2 is equal to A plus D. T3 is equal to A plus D. That is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Understood?
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
So T3 means 3 minus 1. T4 means 4 minus 1. Tn means n minus 1.
सर आपका वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है, सुनाई नहीं देता प्रॉपर.
अच्छा, वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है. आज क्यों ब्रेक हो रहा है? ये ब्रेक तो नहीं होना चाहिए था आज. अब तो नेटवर्क भी प्रॉपर है.
सर आपका बैंडविड्थ कम है.
सर शायद आपका वो डिवाइस हिल रहा है, उसके लिए हो रहा है ये.
कोई डिवाइस नहीं हिल रहा. मैं बैठा हूँ.
सर इधर बोल रहा है कि आपका बैंडविड्थ कम है.
नहीं, बैंडविड्थ तो अच्छा है. अच्छा खासा है. Maybe today's signal may be less, otherwise I have broadband at home. So
Sir, it's
today there
proper
means
only, sir.
you are getting proper. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means Pranav, you may have the problem of net, but
तो हमको भी प्रॉब्लम है सर.
okay. देखते हैं 2-3 मिनट में शायद सही हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है. So next, fourth thing now today we will do is sum of n
Sir,
terms.
can you go to the previous page, please?
Okay.
Just a second, sir.
Yeah, note down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now come to next concept. Sum of n terms of an AP. sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is the heading today. There may be 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, and for this what we will do, I have to find, let us find sum of n terms. So n terms I will write, let s is equal to, sum is s, let sum of n terms be capital S. So S is equal to A plus second term A plus D plus A plus 2D plus and so on. Last term will be A plus n minus 1D. Before this will be A plus n minus 2D. This I have to find. So now, one very interesting method is there for finding this sum. What we will do, I will rewrite this in reverse order, all the terms. So I will rewrite, that means S is equal to, last term I will write first, A plus n minus 1 into D plus, this is the last term, plus A plus n minus 2 into D plus A plus D, and first term will become the last. Now if you observe, if I add both, that means if I add these 2 terms together, these 2 terms together vertically like this, these 2 terms together and last 2 terms together, if I add in this fashion, so S plus S, I will get 2S is equal to, see what is this, A plus A, in this first yellow circle, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, this is the first yellow circle, plus second also see A plus A, 2A plus n minus 2 and 1 is here D, so this is also n minus 1 into D. Similarly, last also if you observe all brackets, this bracket is also 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That means value of each bracket is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And how many terms were there? N terms. So how many brackets are there? Total number of brackets from here to here? There are total how many terms? N terms. So n brackets are there.
Sir, but in the second yellow circle,
Yes.
there are 2 D's. In the first one, it is A plus D, and in the second one, it is
plus
A plus n minus 2 into D.
Yeah, see here. So this is A plus A 2A plus D. If I take common, what we left? 1 plus n minus 2. So this is equal to 2A plus n minus 1 into D.
Oh, okay. Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
सर फिर से एक बार बोल सकते हैं सर?
हाँ देखो, सेकंड वाला येलो सर्कल देखो, सेकंड वाले येलो सर्कल में एक बार तो है मेरे पास में A प्लस डी, दूसरी बार क्या है A प्लस n माइनस 2 इंटू डी. तो ये A प्लस कितना हो गया? ये A 2A प्लस D प्लस n minus 2D. Now from these two, I will take D common. So 2A plus D. What is left? 1 plus n minus 2. So this is 2A plus D n minus 1.
सर वो -1 कैसे होगा सर? ओ ठीक है.
n minus 2 plus 1.
हाँ ठीक है.
So note down everybody. Any doubt? Anybody? Tuvjit, understood you? तो Tuvjit, समझ में आया? Tuvjit. Everybody noted this?
Wait, sir, 1 minute. Sir,
Yes.
एक डाउट है
पूछो बेटा.
सर. इधर वो 2s is equal to 2a plus n time n minus 2a plus n minus 1 times d होगा ना सर?
हाँ.
So there are two terms in one bracket. So won't it become 2n minus 1? 2n minus मतलब won't there 2 be common for both of them?
नहीं मुझे बताओ अभी जो मैंने स्टेप लिखा हुआ है थर्ड स्टेप उसमें डाउट है क्या कोई?
यही वो सेकंड स्टेप जो आप उसके वो लाइन के बाद जो आपने लाइन लिखा है ना सर?
हाँ देखो ये मेरा स्टेप नंबर 1 है, ये स्टेप नंबर 2 एंड दिस इज स्टेप नंबर 3. सो यू हैव डाउट इन स्टेप नंबर 3?
यस सर.
सी लेफ्ट साइड में क्या होगा? s plus s 2s.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. अब मैं देखो येलो ब्रैकेट एक एक करके समझा रहा हूँ दोबारा से.
ठीक
फर्स्ट वाले येलो पे आते हैं जो मैंने सर्कल किया हुआ है ना येलो. फर्स्ट येलो.
हाँ हाँ.
व्हाट इज देयर? a और उसके
A-
नीचे क्या लिखा है?
a
प्लस
plus n time minus 1
into
plus
तो कितना हो गया ये?
2a plus n minus 1
n
the whole d.
अंडरस्टूड दिस?
Yes sir.
सेकंड ब्रैकेट सेकंड में क्या है येलो में? a plus d
a plus d और a
plus-
plus n minus 2 times d.
तो a plus a कितना होगा? 2a
2a plus d times n minus 1.
प्लस d कॉमन ले लिया तो 1 plus n minus 2. So this is 2a plus d into n minus 1.
हाँ सर.
Not understood?
हाँ सर, समझ गए.
Okay. Similarly in third bracket, similarly in last bracket. Now one very important concept is that if I ask you x plus x 3 times, this is how much?
3x.
If I ask you x plus x plus x plus x plus x 5 times, 5x.
5x.
If I ask you x plus x plus x plus x n times, nx. Understood?
Yes sir.
If
Sir,
x
yes, sir.
plus x 3 times 3x, 5 times 5x, 10 times 10x, n times nx. Similarly here, you can consider every bracket like x, and how many times we are having? N times, and all brackets are equal. So this will be equal to, can I write this is equal to n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, like nx, because there are n brackets are there such. N times I am adding. N times I am adding. First bracket x, this is also x, this is also x, this is also x. So x plus x plus x plus x n times is nx. So 2s is equal to this. So s is equal to n upon 2 into a plus n 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms of AP.
सर ये वाला एक और बार समझा दीजिए.
देखो एक बहुत छोटी सी चीज पूछ रहा हूं मैं, नेक्स्ट पेज पे जा रहा हूं मैं भी है. इफ आई आस्क यू 3
सर
प्लस,
एक मिनट वापस जाकर लिख रहा हूँ.
अभी लिख लेना, एक मिनट समझा दूं पहले. 3
ठीक है
plus
सर.
3 plus 3 10 times. This will be how much? 10 into 3 30. 5 plus 5 plus 5 7 times will be 7 into 5 is equal to 35. X plus x plus x plus x. How many times? Suppose this is 10 times. Or first take x plus x plus x 3 times only. 3 times. This will be equal to 3x.
Yes.
Or x plus x plus x plus x. Suppose I ask add x 10 times. This will be
10x.
10x. If I ask x plus x plus x plus x n times,
10x.
nx. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
So same thing now I am doing here. Every bracket, if you see here, every bracket is x. You can consider x is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this 2s is equal to x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many times? N times.
10 times.
N times. So this will be how much? Nx. So this is equal to nx is how much? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2s is equal to. So this implies s is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will be the formula. So this is a derivation, complete derivation of n terms of an AP. So again, see what we have done. Arithmetic progression is given by a plus d, a plus 2d, dash dash dash, a plus n minus 1 into d. And when I want to add it, derivation, this is the derivation of formula. So in second step, I have written that in reverse order. That means last term is the first term, a plus n minus 1, d is the first term. Then last second is the second term, and first term is the last term. Then adding vertically, like s plus s, 2s, and these yellow circles I have made. And then if I add x plus x 2 times, it is 2x. X plus x plus 3 times is 3x. X plus x plus x plus x n times is nx. So to add this, one simple thing I have done, I have taken value of this bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d as x. So every bracket is equal to s equal to x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many times? N times. So this will be nx. And finally, I have put this value of this x. So nx is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And then divide by 2. So s is equal to sum of n terms is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Everybody note down this.
Done, sir.
Okay. See, next.
Wait, sir.
So just when you're noted, just tell me, I will go to the next one.
Yes, sir. Finish, sir.
Done, finished, very good. So next page, I'm writing this formula again. Sum of n terms. This formula everybody must remember. The derivation may be asked in your board exams in your class. So sum of n terms of an AP. Sometimes we write as n. This gives sum of n terms of AP is equal to.
सर ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में आएगा.
Yes, in 10th this may come. n upon 2 into 2
मतलब आप
a
अभी बोर्ड
plus.
एग्जाम के कर रहे हैं कि एनटीएससी के कर रहे हैं सर?
देखो डेरिवेशन में करवा रहा हूँ. These are very important derivations. So everything I am covering. Because ऐसा नहीं कि NTSC is something different and board is something different. Only
Same
it
है
takes.
सर.
See, when we are solving questions, we will solve questions for NTSC. But concept, we will learn everything.
Yes.
Sure. Because this is the concept. Without learning the concept, you cannot do NTSC or
ठीक है
anything.
सर.
So everybody must do the concepts. So whenever we are reading, we will read from the basics. So everything is covered.
Yes sir.
Because see what happens once you understand this, you need not to memorize the maths. You have to understand the maths. So this is Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now tell me what is a here? A. Sangamitra, you can unmute yourself. Can you tell me what is A?
First term.
Sir, I just joined a while ago, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'll get back.
Arithmetic progression. This is we are dealing with. I think first class you have not attended. I think, eh?
Yes, sir.
So you do one thing. I have posted on the YouTube first class.
Okay, sir.
So if you go through that, you will understand. If still doubt is there, you can ask me.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. So
Yeah,
A
thank you,
represent the first term
Okay.
of progression. First term. And D is the common difference. So D is equal to second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or Tn minus 1. And N is sum of, N is number of terms. How many terms you want to find sum?
Okay.
Number of terms.
Okay, sir.
Number of terms.
Yes, sir.
For example, suppose question is for in the sequence 1 plus 3 plus 5, find sum of 20 terms. So in this case, first term A is equal to 1, D. What is the difference here? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, or 5 minus 3. And N is equal to 20, sum of 20 terms.
Okay.
So this formula will apply as 20 is equal to N upon 2, 20 upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into
सर
D.
A का वैल्यू फर्स्ट टर्म.
A is the first term. See,
So
this
A
I
is the
very-
first term, D is the common difference. So T2,
Yes.
T2 minus T1 and N is number
Yes.
of terms.
Yes.
Fine.
So what is the first term? This is the first term. So A is 1. What is D? Difference between second term 3 minus first term, or third term minus second term. So this is D is equal to 5 minus 3. Also anything you can take. And N represent total number of terms. That means we have to find sum of how many terms here. In the question, I have asked you to find sum of 20 terms. So I will put N is equal to 20. So first write the formula as N is equal to N upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now in this formula, put the values. N is equal to 20 upon 2. 2. What is first term? A is equal to 1 plus 20 minus 1 into D. D is how much? 2. This will give the answer. So 20 upon 2 is 10 into 2 plus this is 19 into 2, 38. So this is our 38 plus 2, 40. 40 into 10 is 400. This will be answer.
Okay, sir.
So sum of n terms of this AP will be 400. Now let us solve one or two more problems of this type.
ठीक है sir.
Noted this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, just a second, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Oh, so now see, sum of n terms. Two formulas given a and nth term, or this is given by Tn. This earlier we have done. This was equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This Tn means this is also known as last term, L. Sometimes we represent it by L, last term, nth term, 20th term, 30th term, last term. So Sn, sum of n terms is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this I can write n upon 2 into a plus. Now this 2a I'm splitting into two parts, a plus a. Now you can observe this quantity in the red bracket circle. This is nothing but Tn. So this you can write as n upon 2 a plus nth term. Nth term you can write either an or Tn, or you can write this as n upon 2 a plus l, last term. In this form also we can write. So this is another deduction from the same formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 into a plus l. What is l? L is the last term or nth term. And nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So some questions I am taking. This is very important chapter for your board exams also. Not only board, your that NTSE, very good chapter. So some questions I'm taking. Question number from your first. I will take some questions from NCERT. Then I will take your NTSE also questions. And for NTSE, I will explain you some other series also. Find the sum of first is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Everybody try to calculate this. 2, 7, 12, 10. And those who are not able to speak, that means those some mics are not working, they can tell me on the chat what we are getting. Some of this. Same formula you have to use here. N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So a first term is 2. This is the a first term. D second term minus first term, 7 minus 2. And number of terms are 10. Just put this value here. So sum of 10 terms is equal to 2a. 2a, a is 2 plus n 10 minus 1 into d. D is how much? 5. So this is equal to 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. So this is 49 into 5. Yes, very good. 245. So this will be your answer. Any doubt is there in this? How we have applied it? You can ask me.
No, sir.
Any doubt in this, anybody?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so now I am giving you one more problem. See, questions are never tough. Only just you have to understand properly. Questions will be all and then solve in a systematic way. See, second question I am taking.
Sir, can we just go to the previous page?
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. See, second question. Find sum of 12 terms. Sum of 12 terms for the AP minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, and so on. Sum of 12 terms you have to find. So here again start the same way. Don't think whether D can be positive or negative. D can be positive, D can be negative, D can be rational, D can be rational, any real number. So in this first term is this. Whatever the first time written is first term. So A is equal to minus 37. D is T2 minus T1. What is T2 second term? Minus 33. Minus of minus 37 is equal to
Sir, minus 180.
minus 33 plus, okay, answer may be correct, is equal to 4. See, D is here coming positive 4. And number of terms are how much? 12 terms. This you have to put as n is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You will get the answer. N, number of terms are 12 upon 2. 2a, 2 into minus 37 plus n 12 minus 1 into d is how much? 4. So this is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus
44.
11 to 4, 44. Yes,
44.
very good. So this is how
Minus
much?
36 into minus 30.
Yes, minus 6
180.
into minus 30 is equal to
180. Minus 180.
minus 180. Yes, very good. So sum of 12 terms will be minus 180. So everybody note down and tell me after that.
हाँ सर हो गया.
Others, everybody has done. Tubijit and
Yes, sir.
Soham, you have done. Very good. So one last question of this time. So find sum of 11 terms of 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10, 11 terms. See, I'm giving different types of questions. It is not that they have to be positive terms. They can be rational terms. They can be irrational terms. Anything is possible. So sum of 11 terms of this sequence. Yes, everybody noted? Solve this second problem, this fourth number problem I've given. So in this case also,
Sir, I'm getting
yeah. Just I'm giving,
29
Sir,
by
wait
7.
sir, we'll try sir. We'll try sir. Then you tell
yes.
answer.
Yeah, maybe correct. I don't know actually. I think this is correct. D is 1/60. G1.
Yes, sir. D is 1/60.
Just now put in the formula. So I'm not writing the formula again. N/2. N is 11. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. 1/60. So it is 11/2
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
plus
Yes, sir. Sir, 297 by 38.
yeah, whatever is getting. Okay.
G1, what answer did you get? What do you get?
I got 99 by 60.
99 by 16.
60.
60. I got some 297 by 38.
I got 33 by 20.
What are you doing that?
Yeah, 99 60. Simplify.
Sir, what is the answer, sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
I think everybody is getting same answer. What is the answer you are getting? I don't know
sir,
answer.
सभी को दूसरे दूसरे आंसर आ रहे हैं सर.
अच्छा अभी यहाँ देखते हैं देखो हम कितना आंसर
Sir,
आएगा.
99 by 60.
एक मिनट रुको, एक मिनट. और ये आएगा तुम्हारा 11/2 इंटू 9/30. तो इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे. 3 3 जा 9
9/30
and this
कैसे
is
सर?
10. So क्यों 5 + 4 कितना हो गया ये?
सर 1 मिनट.
30 LCM है. 15 2 जा 30, 2 into 2 4 plus 6 5 जा 30.
सर
So 33/20.
11 by 20, 9 by 30 कहाँ से आया? सर आपको 9 by 30 कहाँ से आया सर?
Yes, sir. That's what even I got. I just finished.
33 by 20.
Okay. Yeah, I will
सर
write
9 by
up.
30 कहाँ से आया सर
Don't know
आपको?
how to take LCM. I will just explaining 1 minute.
नहीं वो क्वेश्चन ही मुझे रॉन्ग आया.
9 by 30 नीचे है ना. 4 plus 5 by 30.
एक मिनट अभी रुक जाओ.
सर डी क्या होगा? डी क्या होगा सर? 1 by 60 होगा ना सर?
यहाँ देखो अब तुम. 1/15, 1/12, 1/10, 11 terms. D is equal to 1/12 minus 1/15. What is LCM? 60.
60. 1 by
12
60 आएगा.
12 5 जा 60 minus 15 into 4. So 1/60. So sum of 11 terms as 11 is equal to 11 upon 2, n upon 2, 2a, 2. A is how much? 1 upon 15 plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1 into d. D is 1 upon 60. So this is 11 upon 2 into 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1, 10. 10 upon 16 is 1 upon
1 by
6.
6.
Now take LCM here.
90 I also.
30 you can take. Why take 90?
30. Yeah, 30.
90 also answer will be same. Answer will not change. So
मेरे को
30 is the
दूसरा ही आ रहा है
LCM.
सर.
So 4 plus 5. So 9 by 30. Understood now?
मतलब आंसर 33 by 20 होगा.
Yes. So this is equal to 11 upon 2 into 9 upon 30. So you can cancel 3 3s are 9. That's 10. So 33 by 20. This will be final answer.
Sir, but if we don't cut and make it 3 and 10, will the answer be correct?
You can write 100 answers of this 1000 because the fractions are not unique.
Oh.
You can write, no sir, I will write 330 upon 200. Or you can write, no sir, I will write upon 2000. Keep on multiplying. But you will not get full marks. It depends on the examiner. So in exams, you must write in the shortest possible form.
Okay.
Okay. All answers are correct in more than one option. But you must
Sir,
write in exam
297
shortest
correct है
possible
सर.
form.
297 correct है.
What 297?
मुझे 297 by 38 आ रहा है आंसर.
How it can come? Now I have explained every step. You check your
Sir?
calculations.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm sorry for being late. I forgot and then I had connectivity problems.
Okay. Yes. That's why I was thinking why you are not joined. Okay, Bhargavi.
I
12
joined
plus
just
15,
now.
27.
Okay, no problem.
11 by
Okay.
2.
So
Sir, 11 by 2 into 27 by 19 क्या आएगा सर? 297 by 11.
11.
11 by 2 into 27 by 19 आ रहा है मुझे.
11 by 2.
Into 27 by 19.
11 by 2 into 27 by
Oh,
90. This is also same thing.
Same
Cancel
thing.
it. Yes,
20.
cancel with 9. 9 3s are 9 10. Same 33 upon 20.
No, fine sir.
Okay.
Correct.
But in final exam, you have to write the shortest possible form. So
Yes,
the
sir.
best answer is 33 upon 20.
Sir,
Yes.
about what we did till now.
Yeah. Just I will tell you. We have started a sequence, the sum of the n terms of the series. Okay. Sum of n terms of the series. So just in one line I'm explaining, and you will be seeing the video. This video I will upload. So sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. That formula you must remember. Sum of n terms of an AP, that is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. This you have to remember. And nth term. On the previous class, we have done nth term was a plus n minus 1 into d. So this sum of n terms Sn is equal to n upon 2. A plus, if I write this a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a. This 2a I am writing as a plus a. So that I can write this part as n upon 2 a plus an. And this is nothing but n upon 2 a plus l. Because last term is the nth term. This derivation we have done today. So this you will be seeing from the videos.
सर आपको क्या आंसर आया था?
वही तो आया है 33 अपॉन कुछ आया है ना, कितना है?
33 upon 20.
20. हाँ.
हाँ करेक्ट. हाँ दोनों सेम ही है सर.
ठीक है भार्गवी, understood?
Yes, sir.
So just this formula you have to remember. A is the first term, N is number of terms whose sum we have to calculate, and D is the common difference. Now see, I will take some questions on the second model. Next example. Find the sum. Number 1. 7 plus 10 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus up to 84. Find the sum of this sequence. Now in this, the important thing is to observe 84. You don't think that he's asking sum of 84 terms. What is the 84 here? 84 is the last
Last.
term.
So you
Understood?
should use the other formula, sir.
Last.
No, but N you have to calculate first. How many terms are there in this? So this
How do you
Tn,
calculate, sir?
Tn is equal to 84. Nth term is this. Tn is 84. Last term is this. So I have to calculate how many terms are there in this sequence. So in this
I
case,
have to calculate and
yes, D. D is how much? 21 upon 2. 10 and half. 10 and half you can write 21 upon 2. So 21 upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 21 minus 14 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. That is the D, common difference. So now you can write Tn. Tn is equal to 84 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put the values. A is the first term, 7. N I don't know here. I have to calculate there are how many terms in this sequence. So N minus 1. D I know. D is this 7 upon 2. So 84 minus 7. 77. So you can write or write one more step, no problem. This 84 minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 upon 2. So 84 minus 7 is 77. 77 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 upon 2. So this gives N minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 upon 7. See cross multiplication. So this is how much? 22. This will cancel out 7, 11 times. So N is equal to 23. That means how many terms are there? 23 terms.
20. 23.
N minus 1 is equal to 22. So N is equal to 22 plus 1, 23. Now you can use the same formula. Sn is equal to N upon 2 A plus L, because last term is given here 84. So this will be N. N is how much? 23 upon 2A, first term. 7 plus last term 84. So 23 upon 2 into 161. No, just. So this will be how much? 91. Just multiply this, you will get the answer. 91 into 23. So you will get this is equal to, so final answer will be 3902 upon 2. This will be the sum of this sequence. Calculations you can check, by chance some mistake is there.
Sir, can you repeat what is L?
L is the last term, nth term. So last term is what here? 84, 23rd term.
Okay. L is also equal to nth term.
Yeah, L is AN.
Okay.
L is, see, this just previous slide I have told you this here. L is nothing but AN. So this quantity AN is L. This is A plus N minus 1 into D. So in this case, L represents last term. So here last term is given. That is why we are using this formula. What is last term given? 84. That is L. We have started arithmetic progression and all these videos are available on YouTube. So first video, those who have joined this class first, they must see my first video on the YouTube. Link I have shared on the YouTube. Arithmetic progression first. This also you can see on the YouTube. All videos, whether it is physics, chemistry, maths, all videos will be available on YouTube. Still, if any doubt is there, you can contact me separately.
सर कोई हमारे क्लास का नहीं है, वो ज्वाइन किया है सर मीटिंग में.
How you know?
सर किसी पार्टिसिपेंट्स के नाम में किसी का नाम जोस है.
Maybe some new student may be there. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
Because I also don't know, or his father's name, or somebody may be there. It may be his father's name. Because some new students are there, no problem. But still I will tell, whenever you are coming, entering the class, all students must enter by your real names. So, because afterward, if, okay. Yeah, next.
सर क्लास कब तक होगा?
Around 6:30.
ठीक है सर.
Now you have to chat actually. I have muted everybody, so you have to chat only. So next. Now, different type of problem I'm taking now. Next is given that A is equal to 7, 13th term A13 is equal to 35. Then question is what is the common difference and what is sum of 13 terms. These two things you have to calculate. That means first term is given and 13th term is given. Then you have to find common difference and sum of 13 terms. So formula for AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula for sum of n terms. Nth term. D represent common difference that is not known. A represent first term. So here put n is equal to 13 because 13th term is 35. So 35 is equal to A 7 plus n. N is how much? 13 minus 1 into D. So next step, this will give you 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. So 28 is equal to 12D, or D is equal to 28 upon 12. So D is equal to this much. So D is equal to 7 upon 3. This is the D. And I think now it is very easy to calculate sum of 13 terms. As 13 n upon 2. See, one example I am solving. Next example I will give to you. 13 upon 2, 2a. 2a is how much? 7 plus n. 13 minus 1 into d. 7 upon 3. So this is equal to 13 upon 2. 14 plus 12 into 7 upon 3. So this will cancel out. So this is a 13 upon 2. 14 plus 28. 7 to 4, 28. So this is a 13 upon 2. 42. This will cancel 13 into 21. And 13 into 21 is 273. This is the answer. Any doubt in this? You can ask me, anybody. If any student having any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, Josh, you have raised your hand. You have to go to the chat box. Go to into only chat.
हो गया सर, हो गया.
Everybody is done?
Yes sir.
Bhargavi, you have noted?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the previous sum, you used different formula for SN, and here you use different.
See, I explained both formulas here. That is a You have to first see that video actually, because two formulas I have given you for solving the sums. 1 second, this. I've used two formulas. Our original formula is this: Sn is equal to this formula, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But here this a plus n minus 1 and d I can represent by L. So sometimes when last term is given, you can use this formula n upon 2 a plus L. So both are same formulas only. Okay.
Okay.
If last term is given, for example, now solve one more problem. Now you will be solving 2-3 problems I am giving. One question is given: if d is equal to a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, sum of n terms is 90, then find n and the nth term. This you have to find. So everybody try to solve it. Yes, one more thing, tell me, you people are having that NCERT books or not?
Yes.
So
sir.
PDF. We have PDF.
Yeah, no
Sir,
problem.
I have the book.
Yeah, any one book of 10th class actually. If you are not having, then I will upload the chapter also. But if you are having, Soham, you are having? On chat you can tell if you are not able to that. Yes, sir, I have the book. Okay. PDF or soft copy will also work at the time for the time being. Because
Sir,
what I
I
want.
have the book only, sir.
Oh, very good. You are very smart boy. Okay. But what you have to do, everybody must have at least either PDF or hard copy, no problem. Anything will do. Okay. So Sangmitra, you don't have neither hard copy nor book. So what I will do, I will put the chapters, corresponding chapters of NCERT PDF on my Google Drive. So from there you can take it and solve it. Okay. So everybody is having approach to Google Drive, I think.
Yes, sir.
Not Google Drive, means Google Classroom.
Yes,
On
sir.
Google Classroom, you will find the book. Those who are having, very good. If you are not having, you can take the questions from there. NCERT also I will put. Plus one very good book. Today I have placed very good chapter, NCERT. That is for your NTSE. Okay, that today whatever I put, that is for NTSE. Very good that. NCERT also I will put. So now keep on solving this problem. Just you are trying, everybody. Okay, not getting answer. Okay, let us see why you are not getting. I will check. So here Sn. Okay, I'm checking. Okay, Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 90. N upon 2, we don't know how much n. A is given 2 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 8. Pranav, maybe correct? Yes. Or other things are given here. See, A is given, D is given. Just put these values. So 90 is equal to n upon 2. This will be how much? 2 plus 8n minus 8. So this is n upon 2, 8n minus 6. So this is n upon 2, 2 you take outside, 4n minus 3. So this 2 will cancel. Okay. So now you have 90 is equal to, yes, so I'm solving, so I will 90 is equal to n into 4n minus 3. This will come. Okay. So now this you have to solve 4n square. This cancel. This if you write it. Yes, very good. So if you multiply, you will get 4n square minus 3n is equal to 90. So 4n square minus 3n minus 90 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation actually. And quadratic equations you will study in this class. Because in 10th class, quadratic equations are there. How to solve these quadratic equations? That you will learn in this class. One simple method is those who have done something or know one formula I'm writing here, this quadratic equation. Okay.
सर
Yes.
उससे वो दूसरे वाले मेथड्स नहीं कर सकते सर, वो SN is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D.
A plus L. Yes, I think that also you can do.
वो मैंने वही करके मुझे आंसर आया 12.
नहीं
N
इसमें
का
देखो क्या होगा, देखो उसमें क्या होगा, SN is equal to n/2 into A
n
plus
upon 2
L.
वाला नहीं सर,
तो
वो वाला नहीं,
तो
वो SN is equal to, एक मिनट फॉर्मूला बता
हाँ,
दूं एक बार,
बस ठीक है, SN is equal to A plus n minus
n
1 into
minus
D.
1 times D.
Yes,
वो
yes, वो भी ठीक है.
ज्यादा छोटा वाला आएगा सर,
हाँ
से बड़ा आएगा.
हाँ, तुम 9th क्लास में वो मेथड ठीक है. We can solve by that method for the 9th, in the beginning actually 10th, just you have passed 9th class, so you can solve by that method also. Otherwise this also we can solve. Okay, this I think by the time you will cover that next chapter, this will be very easy method. So no problem, if you want to solve, I am cleaning this part and you can solve by that method. So that method is what you are saying, nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that we can write. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into
n-1
D.
times D.
Now tell me what is Tn here?
90.
No.
और क्या सर?
Tn is not 90. Tn is not 90. Sum of
Tn
n term is 90. See, there is difference between these two things. See
Tn
here.
is x.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this question, suppose if I ask you what is the fifth term, so T5
9.
9.
9, but S5 is sum of these 5 terms.
Tn is
1,
x then.
3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This
Tn
will
is
be
x.
S5.
26.
So understood the problem now?
हाँ सर.
So that was your mistake. So there is no other way. We have to solve by the method which I was explaining. Okay?
Yes sir. Sorry sir.
No problem. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 90 is equal to n. We don't know, n upon 2, 2a. 4 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. So this is equal to n upon 2, 4 plus 8n minus 8. So this is equal to n upon 2 8n minus 4. So this is equal to n into, I think here earlier question I have done some mistake, so that mistake is corrected now. Okay, 4n minus 2, 90. So now you have basic, my equation is 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So in this case, again, 2 you can cancel out. So your equation will be n is 2n square minus n minus 90 is equal to 0. Minus 45, 2 dividing. So minus 45 is equal to 0. Now there are different methods are there. In 10th class you will study one formula I am explaining here. Okay, for quadratic equations, that concept, that will last concept, then we will leave the class. Quadratic. See, equations of the type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are known as quadratic equation. And there is one formula is there for solving this. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You have done this in 9th. I think it was not there in 9th.
No, sir. Not this.
Yeah. This formula we will use here for solving this. Otherwise, you can leave this question here also, no problem. So just solving completely. So x is equal to, see, this is a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, coefficient of n square. B is equal to minus 1. And c is constant term minus 45.
सर वो जोश मुझे प्राइवेटली वो पर प्राइवेटली एक मैसेज भेज रहा है गो कोरोना करके.
अच्छा, फॉर यू.
हाँ मुझे भेज रहा है, पता नहीं किस लिए.
सर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
ठीक है ना, I will remove him. Now he will
बात
come,
चला
I
गया.
will remove. I will remove him.
सर
वो वही
खुद
चला
बाहर
गया, वही चला गया.
ठीक है. Now he understood that I am going to remove. I thought he is some student, but he was somebody nuisance. Okay. If again he will come, I will remove him.
सर सर आप कोड ही चेंज कर दीजिए सर.
नहीं बेटा, वो नहीं है. They can join, but it is for a student. Sometime 1 or 2 students may come. We have to identify them and remove them. If he is genuine student, no problem. So x is equal to, what is the solution? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b will be how much? 1 plus minus under root b square 1 minus 4. A is 2.
सर ये क्या है सर?
ये तुम्हारा 10th क्लास में आएगा. ये चैप्टर में एक फॉर्मूला है, 10th क्लास में ही है ये. 2a, 2 into 2. So this is equal to 1 plus minus under root 90
सर
361.
मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है सर.
नहीं तो एक काम करो, तुम इस क्वेश्चन को फिर इसी के बाद छोड़ दो. ठीक है, यहीं तक कर लो बस. कि this is some formula is there, and this formula, if you observe here, 10 and 9 will be roots of this. So you can solve for the time being this only. Separate chapter will be there, then we will solve further. One shortcut method, if you put n is equal to here 10. Leave this, okay. Up to this you can do, because this chapter you have not done after this. That is another chapter. Sometimes there are applications in maths in all subjects interconnected. So by chance this question is given here actually. So you will get 2 into 100 minus 10 minus 45. or 9 will be there. Okay. So leave this, leave it here. This is the some equation we are getting, and solution of this equation will be n. Just remember that. Okay. Solution. How to find the solution? That we will do in another chapter. That comes under quadratic equation. So you can do one thing. You can note down this question after this. We will solve at that time. So with this, I am finishing this today's class. Everybody is unmuted now. I think I have unmuted everybody. Unmute. You have to unmute yourself, Bhargavi, now.
नहीं सर, आपको सब आपने सबको म्यूट कर दिया था.
No, unmute कर दिया है मैंने. सब unmute है अब.
Unmute only.
Now sir unmuted.
Unmute.
हाँ, बीच में मैंने उसकी वजह से बताया.
Long back only it was unmuted.
जोश की वजह से मैंने सबको म्यूट किया था कि बोले नहीं फालतू में कुछ.
Sir, so will we not find the value of n here?
No, for this at this.
सर हमारे स्कूल में भी ऐसे ही हुआ था सर. कोई रोहित नाम का कोई लड़का आके बीट बॉक्सिंग करना शुरू कर दिया सर.
That's class only, no, it was.
I know history civics.
Oh, history.
No, for 1 or 2 seconds somebody can do something. Otherwise, I have full control. I was observing him. If he is doing something, he was personally sending. That was the problem. Otherwise, so just listen everything. But if somebody sends you personally this type of message, you inform me immediately. I will.
Yes sir.
I will block him. Okay. This I was not knowing that he is sending you personally.
Sir,
I asked him.
भेज रहा था सबको.
Okay, no problem. I asked him also 2 times. What is your name? Who are you? But he has not
सर मैं भी
replied.
पूछा सर, जब उसने वो कोरोना करके पूछा, मैंने भी पूछा who are you करके.
हाँ, so
उसने आंसर ही नहीं दिया. छोड़ दिया.
So we will be careful of this point next time. Okay. So next time, any girls also remember, if somebody is doing directly talking to you or somebody doing something, directly report me. I can block them. I can remove them from the group. Okay, Sangmitra and Bhargavi.
Yes, sir.
Because sometime it may happen. I may not be knowing, they may be talking you directly. So you have to report to me. Personally also you can report in chat box. Okay. There is one option is there in the chat box. Chat box you can talk personally also. Like for example, Sangmitra has, you have told me, yes sir. Now I will reply personally to Sangmitra. See how to apply that. You must know this. See. Okay. I'm sending. Okay.
I know, sir. In our class, we do this only.
Okay. Some may not be knowing. I have replied privately. So in that case, you can also tell me privately, sir, this is the news. Something is happening. So that is good. So today you leave this question here only. This question we will solve after 1 month or 2 months when we will complete the quadratic equations. So with this, I am finishing today's class. You keep on solving the problems. Tomorrow, next class also, I will take up some more applications of this AP, and then there will be some word problems. This is a long chapter, actually very big chapter. We will continue this chapter, okay?
ठीक है sir.
ठीक है. Bye everybody. Good night, everybody.
Thank you sir. Same to you sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you
Good
sir.
night. Okay. Bye. Good night.